Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est vendredi le 1er mars and I'm going to tell you what we did today. I have had several students absent today, so hopefully you will watch this video. Alright, so today's warm-up was where we had to Google the Eiffel Tower and answer the following questions. So we determined that not necessarily the person who built it. There were 3 architects actually, but I changed this question to who was it named after. And so we determined that it was named after Gustave Eiffel. Okay, I'm gonna put this single. All right, so Gustave Eiffel. When was the Eiffel Tower built? We determined that it began construction in 1887 and ended construction in 1889. Where in Paris is it located? I didn't want the exact address, so that question is kind of ambiguous, but what I wanted was where is it found, or where is it near? And we said it was near the Champ de Mars. Okay, near the Champ de Mars. What was the purpose for it being built? All right, what was the purpose for it being built? It was of several reasons. It was to commemorate the 100 years since the French Revolution. It was also to for the 1889 World's Fair, and in that it was the World's Fair. It was to show off. The French wanted to show off the fact that they had a lot of industrial strength. So that was another reason. Why do people visit? We determined that it's because the Eiffel Tower it represents Paris, and it is considered an architectural wonder. So that is the warm-up that we did. All right. Now, after the warm-up, we had an open notes quiz, but it was a kind of open notes quiz where we could use our notes, obviously, and we could also collaborate, work together, and come up with the answers. Many students did not finish today, and so you'll get a chance to finish Monday, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what the quiz was about. So I'm going to go to French 2 Pre-AP Notes and Activities. Scroll down. And it was, let's see, this one I believe was the first part. All right. Yes. On one side of the quiz, we had this activity where you had to read the clue and then determine what question word from your notes. So if you go back and look at your I believe it was this one. Yes, it was this one. You were able to use your notes and look back at your question words to see which question word would fit in the blank according to the clue. So, j'étudie à 7h30. I study at 7:30. Is that a who, a what, a when, a why, a how, at what time? If you go back and you look at your notes, the one that makes the most sense is at what time. So you would write à quelle heure. So you would type in the blank à quelle heure est-ce que tu étudies? We also looked at number 9. Je regarde le nouveau étudiant anglais. Because I had not given you what these 2 words were. Nouveau is new and étudiant is student. It's the college version of a student. New student English, or new English student. So I'm watching the new English student. Well, What are you watching? Where are you watching? Who are you watching? Oh, wait, who? So it would be the key that you would write in the blank. All right, and then the one more thing is when we look at je parle de mon prof d'histoire. Anytime we're saying we use de following parle, it means that we're talking about something or someone. So de, since we're saying I'm talking about my history teacher, or of my history teacher, then if you go back, it would be from or of whom, de qui. So you would write de qui in the blank. So this is what we did here. And then on the other side of the page was the reading comprehension activity. Oh, not that one. Whoops. Hang on. It was another one. Just a second. I got to find it. Okay, it's this one. I didn't put it on the web page because of the way it's formatted. So anyway, so this is on the other side of that page was this little short story, and you had to answer the questions. It was a little reading comprehension activity. So the story is Marie et Robert vont en France en juillet pour voir la Tour Eiffel. Ils arrivent en France en avion, mais à Paris, ils traversent la ville à pied. Ils cherchent un croissant. Alors, ils vont à une boulangerie sur la rue Coulombe. Un croissant coûte 2 euros et puisque Marie a 4 euros, elle achète 2 croissants. Un pour elle et un pour son ami. So, read the paragraph and then you answer these questions in French. Now, a couple of things. I told everybody that pays meant country. Veulent means want. Cherche, look for. And then rue, street. So I gave y'all those. And then you are obviously able to use word reference and your notebooks and of course each other, and you will get a chance to do this Monday if you were not here today. And then if there were some people who were done, then you needed to go to Duolingo. Let's see, I believe that I have that. Useful resources. TV5 Monde. Oh, no, I guess not. I'm going to have to add it. Just a second. I thought I did. Okay, so anyway, you are still responsible for the assignments. So they're numbers 1, food, basics 2, animals, time, être, avoir, present 1, phrases, infinitive, and adjectives 1. So you need to complete these skills, and we're going to be working on these next week. And that is all we did today. Au revoir et bon weekend.